Alright, welcome back. We're doing the post-production quick reference, the guide, and we have covered the section C on Premiere Elements, and we have also covered the first part of the audio correction on the Premiere, exporting to MP3, aligning, selecting the audio that is clean. If not, go back to watch it. Then here we're going to do the part of the Audacity on correcting the audio. So this one is actually linked to this slide here, audio correction. So we're going to follow through this one, and so we're going to launch. We have done this portion of adjusting the audio balance and exporting the clip to MP3. So we're heading over to Audacity and follow the process. Let's open Audacity. Right, under Audacity, what are we going to do? We're going to add the MP3 clip into Audacity. This is my audio clip. I'm going to drag over to Audacity, and it will load. After loading, next thing to do is to do the amplifying. How do we do amplify? Amplifying by selecting everything, double click, and we'll do effects, amplify, and peak amplitude stick to 0, and just click OK. Once we're done, then we're done with step 1. Next is compression. Compression, we highlight everything, double click it, go to effects, go under compressor, and choose a setting. You can slide all these settings left and right. So threshold set to -24, noise floor -40, ratio set to 4:1, attack time at the least as possible, release time the least as possible, makeup gain don't select, compress don't select, and click OK. These will effectively bring all the high volumes down, so we are bringing all the levels down. So you see all the levels are pretty much reduced, and the next step we do is to amplify it. But this time when we amplify, we will choose the pick of 2 to allow a bit of clipping. Select, go under effects, amplify, under the new peak amplitude, choose 2, allow clipping, click OK. And so now it's applying, and we have a very nice consistent audio right here. And the next portion is to do the noise reduction, because sometimes there can be still some hissing, and so what we do is we find a portion which is silent where he's not speaking. How about here? How long is this? It's only probably about 1 second. Ideally we try to find a section which has a longer break here. So over here we have a longer break. We can hear it. You can see, you can still hear quite a lot of noise, yeah? So what we'll do is that we want to remove the noise from here. We select it, head over to effects, click on noise reduction. First is to get the noise profile. Then next step is to highlight the entire thing, double click, and click effect, and go back to noise reduction. This time, this is step 1 that we did, and we do step 2. Step 2, under noise reduction, we choose 12, sensitivity 6, frequency 3, noise reduce, and click OK. So the noise reduction has been completed. You can see the line much thinner. Let's hear it. There is still a bit of noise, but we have cleaned up most of it, so that will be good enough. I'm gonna zoom, so this will be the complete one. What's next? So we're done so, and we just export this as MP3. So coming back here, go to File, Export, MP3, and then go to the location where we are working, save it there on the media. This is the file that we are using. I'm gonna say clean, okay, and click save, and click OK. Alright, we have saved the file, and let's take a look at the file which is saved here. Is SermonEng clean. So now we head right back to Premiere Elements. No, let's go back to the Premiere the instruction here. It says go to Premiere Elements and replace the audio with MP3. Okay, I'm gonna pause this video and show you how to replace the audio.